Hi, my name is Julian from Central Northern Regional Libraries, and today I'm here to show you how to use Encyclopaedia Britannica, provided free with your CNRL library card. Encyclopaedia Britannica provides a lot of well-researched information and that is differentiated across different reading levels. Okay, so first off we need to access the CNRL library webpage. So go to cnrl.newsouthwales.gov.au and under more than just books there should be online databases, and there's Encyclopaedia Britannica. So the card number is found on the back of your library card. Okay, so the information is broken up, it's differentiated over 3 reading levels. So kids, which is for primary age students, teens, which is for high school, and then adults, which is just for everyone else. So if we go into kids, you can see it has articles, images and videos and biographies, and if you scroll down it breaks it up into subjects as well, so you can pick a subject there, and down the bottom here, which we'll look at later, it's got a world atlas that you can explore. So if we just do a search, say we're looking up circuits, and it comes up with electrical circuits. Say you're doing a science project that you need to do some research for. And on the left here, it shows any videos, images, or interactives that are part of electric circuits. So if I click on this one that says interactive here, it's actually got a little circuit drawn up that you can then connect, and it shows you how the electrical current works. If you look at the information here, it's got a little option that you can click play, and that will read it aloud to you.
Electric circuits are paths for transmitting electric current or moving electricity,
which is really handy. Another really handy thing is you can, if we go look at some further information, say we're not sure what a word means, if we go to say electricity, we can highlight it, and it'll give us an actual definition of electricity. Another option is, if you see up the top right up here, it's got reading level. So if I go to 2 here, it will change it to a high school reading level, and that's really good even if they're primary students and they want more detailed information, they want to know more, they can click there and just get more information that's targeted at that higher reading level. Okay, I'm just going to go back home now and back into kids, and I'll show you this world atlas. Okay, it's basically like Google Maps, but it lets you browse around and easily find information on different areas or different countries. So you can zoom in. So we go up to Europe. And we're in France here. And if you hit summary, you can actually see information about France if you go through all these topics here, and I can actually click read the article, and then it will take me to the Encyclopaedia Britannica page on France and give me all that information, which is a pretty cool way to for kids to just sort of browse around and see what's on a map and see what's available. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed learning about Encyclopaedia Britannica, and I hope you can use it in the future for your projects. All right, bye.